Welcome to our culinary journey through the fascinating world of spices. Today, we dive into the aromatic and versatile spice known as cumin. Join us as we explore its incredible benefits, from enhancing flavors to improving our health and well-being. Let's begin. Cumin, a spice that has stood the test of time, has been cherished and utilized by cultures worldwide for centuries. Its distinct flavor and a wide range of health benefits have made it a staple in countless cuisines. Cumin's journey began thousands of years ago. Traders carried it along the ancient spice routes, introducing it to new lands and cultures. In ancient civilizations, cumin was not only appreciated for its flavor but also valued for its medicinal properties and use in spiritual rituals. The secret to unlocking cumin's full potential lies in the freshness of its seeds. Grinding them just before use releases the spice's delightful aroma and flavors. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of incorporating cumin into our daily lives. Cumin is known for its rich nutritional profile. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it can support our overall well-being. From a culinary perspective, cumin adds a warm and earthy note to dishes. Its versatility allows it to complement both savory and sweet preparations. Cumin is a treasure trove of health benefits. It aids in digestion by stimulating enzymes, reduces bloating and gas, and even possesses antimicrobial properties. Furthermore, cumin has been associated with weight management. It may boost metabolism and promote fat loss, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Studies suggest that cumin may help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Its anti-inflammatory properties could also support a healthy immune system. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast, health-conscious individual, or simply someone who loves to explore different flavors, cumin has something for everyone. So, next time you're in the spice aisle or planning your next meal, remember the incredible journey of cumin and the myriad benefits it offers. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of the world's amazing spices. Until then, may your meals be seasoned with joy and the flavorful wonders of cumin.